Hello and welcome, children. Now we are on the fourth paragraph of the story, The Little Girl. So here, what we find that after this behavior of the father, let's see that what is happening. She sat on a stool gravely, watched him until he woke and stretched, and asked the time. Then looked at her. Okay, so gravely here means that she is just feeling like very frightened once again. Don't stare so, Kezia. You look like a little brown owl. So the father is saying that you are looking like a owl. Why you are staring at me? I think that you understand the meaning of staring. Staring means looking at someone, looking to someone for a constant, for a long time is called staring. So one day when she was kept indoor with a cold, her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week and suggested she should make him a pin cushion or a gift out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk. So this is the idea which the grandmother is giving to the child, that why she doesn't prepare some gift for the father, and that gift can be a cushion in. So the important word meanings are stirred, which means move or cause to move slightly, and side means emit a long deep audible breath expressing sadness, relief, tired or similar, like a deep breath is called sigh. So then let's check that what is there in the fifth paragraph. So fifth paragraph is laboriously with double cotton. So that is the thing with the child is doing. Okay, with the grandmother she is doing all this. She wandered into the mother's bedroom to look for scraps. So this is very important, that while making the cushion she needed something to stuff inside the cushion. Okay, so for that she went inside the parents bedroom, and she was looking for some scraps. Okay, so if she finds any extra piece of paper in the room, she will use that for the making the cushion. So what she found, uh, she discovered a great many sheet of fine paper, gathered them up, tore them into tiny pieces and stuffed her case, then sewed up the fourth side of the cushion. So while making the cushion, these are the papers which she found on the table, kept on the table of her parents, and she tore the pages, and she stuffed it nicely inside the cushion, and she stitched the fourth side. Okay, then what is happening, it's very important, that father's great speech on the port authority had been lost. Rooms were searched, servants were questioned. Finally mother came into Kezia's room. Kezia, I suppose you didn't see some paper on the table in our room. Okay, so the child is now asked by the mother that what has she seen any paper on the table, on their bedroom table. So she says yes. Oh yes, she is saying that, oh yes, I have seen those papers. And those papers, what she has done, poor child, what she has done, oh yes, I tore them up for my surprise. What? Screamed mother. Come straight down to the dining room this instant. Okay, so she told the mother the truth, that yes, she found some papers on the table and she has stuffed it to make the cushion. She is very excited to tell this, because she thought that maybe the mother will be very happy to listen that she has made some gift, but instead of becoming happy, she is asking her to come downstairs. So now I think that it is clear to us that why she is asked to come to downstairs. What is the problem? So let's come to the word meaning. Sewed means join, fasten or repair by making stitches with the needle and thread. Okay, to stitch is called sewed. And laborious means marked by or requiring long hard work, is called laborious. So that is the thing. Now we are on the sixth paragraph. She was dragged down to where father was pacing to and fro, hands behind his back. Well, means she is being dragged there. Okay, she is being pulled by the mother. And did you do that? No, she is whispering. But the mother, go up to her room and fetch down the damn thing. See that the child put to the bed instantly. Means the father is so angry that he beats the child. So I hope that it is clear that actually the cushion which she has made, in that she has stuffed the paper, the speech paper of the father, which was very important. Next day the father had to deliver a speech for some court authority, and that speech was being torn by the child. Poor child, innocently, unknowingly, she has torn it and she has stuffed it in the cushion. So for that she is getting this punishment. She has been beaten very badly by father. So the word meanings are whispered, means speak very softly, that is called whisper. Drag means to pull something roughly, so she was pulled by her mother. So that is the very important thing. And this is the summary, that one day Kezia was making the pin cushion for the father's gift, and she found some sheet of paper in her father's room, and she tore those sheets to stuff the pin cushion. Okay, and then when this was known by the father and mother, so the father took a stick and beat her severely. He told her to not to touch anything that did not belong to her. Kezia wept bitterly. She wondered why God had made fathers. Now she trembled even at the sight of her father. So day by day what is happening, we can see that instead of getting their relationship good, the relationship is getting worse. Okay, the grandmother, why she gave the idea of making the pin cushion, because she wanted that the relationship of the father and the child should be strengthened, but instead of that it has become weak, and now she is more scared of the father. Thank you, children.